Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the revision worksheet number 2 of grade 4. So let's start with the first question. Describe the picture. So what is written here? Il s'appelle. Il s'appelle means his name is. So look at the picture and see what is the name written here. Philip. So here we need to put this information: age, place, country. So let's start with the first. Il s'appelle. So answer number first is Philip. Come to the question number 2. Second part. Il a, there is the space, and a means here you need to put the age. Now look at the picture. Here is written 14 1 4 14. So how we say 14 in French? We need to write that 14. Come to the third. Il est. Now you have to put a word that starts with M only. So here it's your choice. You can write he is masculine, he is thin. Thin we say mince word. So it's up to you, whichever you find it easy you can put here. So I am writing here il est mince. He is thin. Number 4. Il habite a. He lives in. Now where he lives. So you have to put a city name already given below the picture, Lyon, and the country name already given, France. So how we say that? Il habite à Lyon of France. He lives in the country name is France and the city is Lyon. So first I will put Lyon here. L is already given. Lyon, and then I will put France. So come to the number 5. Il est. Now we have to tell his nationality. Il est français. So we will write here français spelling. Français. And the last is il est. Now any word that start with G. So here you can write he is boy, or you can also write he is tall. So choice is yours. You can write garçon or grand. Right? Garçon means boy and grand means tall. So it's your choice what you want to write. Both will be correct. So come to the B part. Write in French along with un. Now is used with the masculine things and un is used with the feminine things. So here we have un. So you need to learn that which word is masculine and feminine. So first is an eraser. So eraser is feminine in nature. So which article I have to use? Un. Un gomme. Gomme is basically is eraser, and un I have written because eraser is feminine in French. Come to the number 2, a book. Now how we say a book in French? So book is livre, and the book is masculine in French. So we will write un livre, meaning is a book. Come to the third, a pencil. Now pencil is also masculine. So how you will say? A crayon. Why I have written a here? Because it is masculine. Suppose if the pencil is feminine, then we have to use here un. U-N-E. Come to the last one, a pen. Now how we say a pen in French? A stylo. So is showing pen is also masculine in French. So I hope B part is clear to everyone. Come to the C part. Complete the table with the nationalities. Now country name is written. You have to write the nationality in masculine form and then in the feminine form. So here you need to write the masculine. Here you will need to write the feminine. Okay. So let's start. First is Ond. Ond means India. Now, the people who live in India, their nationality is Indian. So, how we say Indian in French language? Now, in English, suppose there is a boy who lives in India, he will say, I am Indian. And a girl who lives in India, she will also say, I am Indian. But in French language, a girl and a boy will say a different word for the Indian. A boy will say Ondien and the girl will say Ondienne. Okay, so this is the difference. So let's write Ondien. Ondien, masculine nationality. And for making it feminine, I have to write double N-E. Ondienne. So come to the second one, France. Now the people who live in France, they are French. So how we say that? For masculine we say français. And for making the feminine form, we will add E at the end with the same spellings. Français, française. Come to the next, China, Chine. How we say China in French? Chine. So first, masculine is chinois. And the feminine is chinoise. We will add E at the end. So this we have already discussed that for making the feminine form, we just need to add E at the end. But if the word ends with N, then you have to write double N-E. Next is Japan. How we say Japan in French? Japonais. Japan we say Japon, and for masculine we will say Japonais. And for feminine we will write at the end E, and it will become Japanese. So I hope nationalities are clear to everyone. So let's move to the D part. Complete with a, un, de. Now where is used? Is used with the subject or object that is masculine. And un. Where un is used? Un is used if your object is feminine. Last is they, where they is used, des, they, with the plural. Okay, so let's start. So first is say trousse. Trousse is pencil box, and your pencil box is feminine in nature. So which article I have to put here? Un, de. Tell me which article? Yes, un. Why un? because the whose is feminine in nature. Next is bonbon. Now bonbon means candies. Saison. Saison means these are. So it is showing that this is in the plural form. So in plural form, what we will write? They. Yes, we will write they at the end. Ce sont des bonbons. Now come to the question number 3. Say sandwich. Sandwich means sandwich, and it is masculine in French. So how we will write here? Say a sandwich. Say a sandwich. Number 4 is pizza. Now it is ending with s, so it is showing it is in the plural form. Ce sont, these are, so we have to write here they. Ce sont des pizzas. DES. Ce sont des pizzas. Number 5 is ce sont, then there is a fill-up, cahier. Cahier means notebook. Now it is ending with S, so notebooks. These are the notebooks. So which article here we will use? They. These are notebooks. Last one is say, starting with say, meaning is this is. Leave her. Leave her is masculine. So we will write the article Say leave her. Come to the E part. E part is write plural. So we have already done the rules for making the plurals in French language. So rule number 1 is almost with all the consonants we have to put s at the end for making the plural. Second thing, if the word already ends with s, then we will not add anything. That word will remain same in the plural form as well. Third rule is, if any word that ends with EAU collectively, then you need to write X at the end. Now look at the first. First is bell. BELLE. Bell means beautiful. Now how we will make its plural? We will add S at the end. So you need to write the same word first, then you will add S at the end. So in this way you will make the plurals of others. Second is grand. Grand means tall or big. So same rule will apply here, GRAND. Then you will add S at the end, grand. Pronunciation will remain same because in French language we don't pronounce the S at the end. Like in English, the plural of girl is girls, boy is boys, book is books. So in French language we don't pronounce the plural forms. So plural of bell is belle. We will add S, but we don't pronounce S at the end. Come to the third, content. Content means happy. So you will write S at the end. Content. For making the plural. Number 4 is same. Bon. BONNE. Meaning is good. And the word is in the feminine form. BONNES. Bon. Now come to the number 5. Move. Now look carefully, this word is ending with S at the end. So should we add one more S? No. So this word will remain same. So you will write the same word, move, right? In the plural form also, same. Come to the number 6, beau. Beau means handsome, B-E-A-U. Now, it is ending with E-A-U, so we have to add X at the end. Beau. Now, 7 number is petit. Petit means small. This is in masculine form. So, for it's very easy to make its plural. You will add S at the end. So, in this way, the 8, 9, 10, try yourself. What you will do in 8, B-O-N, bon means good. This is in masculine form and you will add S at the end for making its plural. Number 9 is grande. We have done the number 2, na, grande, that is in the masculine form. So second is masculine form, grande, and 9 is feminine form, meaning is tall and big, grande. So for making its plural, we will add S at the end. Last one is mince. Mince means thin. So for making its plural, we will add S at the end. Okay. Come to the G part. Say if it is vrai or faux. Vrai means true. Faux means false. So question number 1 is je suis grand. For masculine, and E is written in bracket means for feminine it will become grande, right? So I am tall or I am big. So students, it's your choice. You can write vrai, true, and faux also, false. So there is no such compulsion that you need to write vrai or faux. If you write vrai, then it will be corrected. If you write faux, it will be corrected because it's a journal question. I am tall, right? So come to the number 2. Nous habitons au Sri Lanka. We live in Sri Lanka. So this is very much clear that this is false. Faux. We live in India. So this is false. Third one. J'aime mon ami. A-M-I in masculine form, meaning is friend. A-M-I-E, ami in feminine form, meaning is friend. Aim means like. I like my friend. So you all like your friends. So we will write here va. Okay. Come to the last part now. Rearrange. So I have told you how to rearrange in French. First you need to identify which one is the subject pronoun, then the verb, and then the object. Now number 1, grand means tall or big, il means he, a means is. So what is the sentence? He is tall. So for he I will write il. For is, I will write a, and for tall, I will write grand. So first answer is il est grand. Clear? Come to the number 2. Now subject pronoun is tu. You are good. Tu es bon. You are good. Tu is subject pronoun, a is a verb, and bon is adjective here. Bon means good. Last one is, now identify the subject pronoun. Very easy. Yes, il. I-L-S. I told you we don't pronounce S at the end in French language, right? That is always silent. So it is il, then verb is sont, then beau. Beau means handsome. Ils sont beaux. They are handsome. So I hope that the worksheet 2 is clear to everyone. Revise this worksheet again and again. Merci. Au revoir.